Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to By Noise by Tata English Medium School. Children, today we will continue our chapter number 8 from our Marigold textbook of English, page number 96 for the tiger and the mosquito. So, children, come, let's start. Now, here on this page, what is been given to us? Look at the pictures below. So, this is a picture story of the giant mouse. So, what is been said? What are the cat and mouse saying? First, say this in your own language. Now, act out the story and say the words and sentences in English. So, what we have to do, children? We have to narrate the story. First of all, you can narrate it in your own language, your mother tongue, and then you will try to narrate it in English. So look here, can you see the picture of a cat and a mouse? So you have to imagine and try to narrate in your own words. We will see. So a cat is saying, wow, what a yummy rat. So now the mouse is afraid and he says, oh no, it's time to run. So the cat says, wait, where will you go? I can catch you. So the mouse quickly runs on the table and climbs on the table. And here something is kept. What is this, children? It is an object called magnifying glass. After climbing the table, the mouse says, I am smarter than you. As the mouse holds the magnifying glass, and what happened? The cat is now afraid and says, oh no, what a giant mouse it is. Why the cat says this, children? As the image or thing appears more bigger, more larger in the magnifying glass. So now the cat is afraid and the cat goes away. So again we will see it and narrate it. Cat says, wow, what a yummy rat. Rat says, oh no, it's time to run. Cat says, how far do you think you can run? I will catch you anyway. Rat says, ha ha ha, I am smarter than you. Bang. Cat says, oh my god, from where did this giant mouse come? So like this, children, you can narrate the story in your own words and you can have fun with your friends at your home. Now I am going to give you worksheet. You can do it by yourself or you can even do it with the help of your parents. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, dear children. Bye.